Hi, boys and girls. It's day 3 of poetry, and today we're going to take a look at some idioms. And an idiom is when you can distinguish the literal and non-literal meaning of words and phrases. And you're going to do that both reading and writing. It's done through all the different types of poetry, the cinquains, diamante, acrostic, couplets, haiku. And I found a great video for you to listen to.
My parents for an iPad and they said no way, it's too expensive, so I asked how much I'd have to pay. They said an arm and a leg and I was pretty bummed. That is until I learned that was just an idiom. An idiom is a phrase that doesn't make much sense unless you heard it before and you knew what it meant. The words themselves could be used in a different way than what the person means when they use the phrase. Say you missed the boat, that's an idiom. Give two birds with one stone, that's an idiom. Say you give it a shot, that's an idiom. Or in a China shop, that's an idiom. When someone has cold feet, what does that really mean? That they lost their shoes and their feet will freeze? These are cold feet of a different kind. It means that they got nervous and they changed their mind. If we're in the same boat, we don't have to be at sea. It just means you're in the same situation as me. It's raining cats and dogs is something one might say, but all it really means is that there's lots of rain. That's a piece of cake, that's an idiom. A jar in a play, that's an idiom. Cat's out of the bag, that's an idiom. We're gonna have a blast, that's an idiom.
So, why would someone use an idiom? Well, idioms make what you say or write sound more interesting.
Do you mean instead of saying, I'm excited, I could say, I'm over the moon? And that sounds more interesting, right?
Exactly. You hit the nail on the head.
Let's play it by ear, that's an idiom. Crocodile tear, that's an idiom. It came out of the blue, that's an idiom. Happy cake and eat it too, that's an idiom. Barking up the wrong tree, that's an idiom. By the skin of your teeth, that's an idiom. We gotta break the eye, that's an idiom. Got bigger fish to fry, that's an idiom.
And that's a catchy little tune that my students know that I just love to learn through music. So you heard many of those words that I'm sure that you recognize that are idioms and phrases. An idiom is a saying or expression that has a different meaning than the literal meaning of the words. Idioms have a non-literal or figurative meaning. Example, we heard this one, it's raining cats and dogs. Well, the non-literal meaning, it's raining very hard. If it was literal, there was cats and dogs coming out of the sky, and we know that can't happen. So let's take a look and let's see if we can figure out. They have two examples for us. This is what Max is saying. Mom, have you seen my fish? And Mom replies, the fish lives in the tank. It should be there. Max, I looked in the tank. My fish is not there. I found the fish on the floor. I found the fish out of the water. That is not good. So what did that phrase mean, fish out of the water? Well, that fish is going to die if he doesn't get back in that tank. So that's the literal meaning. But listen to how it's different. Casey, being the new kid is hard. Everyone already has their friends. Brandon, I know, I feel like a fish out of water. Casey, I think we will feel more comfortable when we get used to the new school. So in this case, a fish out of water means they don't feel welcomed yet. Everything is so new. They feel like a fish out of water. So a literal means the exact words that they're saying, but the non-literal is a bigger meaning when you take all the words together. Here are some more. Hold your horses means to hold on or wait. Don't put all your eggs in one basket means to make everything dependent on only one thing. Icing on the cake, something which makes a good situation even better. How about barking up the wrong tree means looking in the wrong place. All ears, listen intently, fully focused. All thumbs, to be clumsy or awkward. Not my cup of tea means not your choice or preference. Raining cats and dogs means to rain heavily, a great amount. So some of these might not be common to you, but when you are writing, they make your writing stronger and more interesting for the reader. So what you're going to do today is you're going to select an idiom that you would like to use and complete the worksheet on a separate piece of paper. You can use this form where you could draw a rectangle, a smaller rectangle, a thinner rectangle, and a rectangle at the bottom. And you're going to write your idiom here. You're going to write your illustration, your meaning, and put it in a sentence. And I thought this one would fit. The teacher's pet. Now, does that really mean that Mrs. Faulkner or one of your teachers have students for pets? No, it really means that it's a teacher depends upon that student. It's not literal. And this is the second form that you could use. You could draw a circle. You'd write your idiom in the topper left hand, the real meaning of the idiom, illustrate the idiom, and then put it in a sentence. So either one of the graphic organizers would be fine. And you're just going to put these on other paper. So we're going to tie the reading and the writing with the standards together again. You can distinguish the literal and non-literal meaning of words and phrases, both when you read and you write. Be sure to upload your idioms so that your teachers can see what you have written. And some of those idioms you can put in a poem tomorrow or the next day. Till tomorrow, boys and girls. Bye.